sprint, if you will. A lot of times they say, you know, 3 times the prep for one fire. Okay. So you have 3 times the amount you actually need. But we didn't do that today. But you know, in real life, that's right. But you've got a few smalls here.
Sorry. Hey, wait a minute.
Let's check everything out.
Stay.
So this will be a knife that you can use. Okay. And thank you. So I'm going to demonstrate here a little bit what you want, and then I'm going to turn you loose to do it. Yeah, all right. So, you know, you're trying to make these little itty bitty curls, shavings. Okay. Right. Because this is what is going to catch real easy with the ferro rod. You know, and kind of satisfying. yes, it is. It is therapeutic just to make shavings. Yeah. Right. So that's the sort of thing that you're wanting to do. Okay. So come here, buddy. Come here. Stay with me, buddy. Stay with me. And it's very much finesse.
Quit, quit, dude.
Now, you know, there's 2 reasons that you're doing this. One, you're learning knife control.
Yeah, that's something I don't have.
But you're also, you know, you're making tinder, but you're also developing knife skills.
Yeah, because I'll be honest with you, you made it look a lot easier. That was a good one. Watch out, buddy, I'll cut your nose. Yeah, I've never once did this, man.
Okay. That's why I'm wanting to get you doing this.
I'm gonna have these kids out there tonight.
It's all right, Tika. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
Just gonna talk about it.
When my brother gets here, he'll like, hey, Enoch. When my brother gets here, he'll be like,
yeah.
So what are y'all going to use to ignite this?
Ferro rod.
Ferro rod.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So for anybody watching this on YouTube, what exactly is a ferro rod? Like, what does it consist of?
Wow. It is. It's like a man-made material, and but it sparks when you rub a sharp object against it.
I see. So you're casting the sparks into
the
fine material that you're making.
Right.
Gotcha.
Now, a lot of people think it has to be carbon steel, but you can actually use flint. You can use a sharp piece of glass. All of those things, when you rub it against the
just anything that's going to take off material.
Right.
Basically.
Right. And it will make a spark.
I see.
I'm actually getting a little better already.
Yeah. You develop skills. So here we'll just see if you can catch this. But
oh yeah, wow.
Oh wow.
That's a ferro rod.
Nice.
I think there's a lot of sparks.
Now that'll throw sparks even if it's wet or anything, right?
Yes. Yeah, you can and that's why this is great just for a a lighter will get wet and
cease to function.
Else. Yeah. So
that one you could probably just dry it off and just get right to it.
Right, yeah, shake it and
now what's a good rule of thumb on like how do you know what's enough, what's not enough?
You
know what I mean? Like I guess just keep going until you feel like
well, yeah. And that's
depends on the situation.